We are making poppy seed muffins. First, gather all the ingredients. Next, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. After that, add all the dry ingredients to the mixing bowl. Now add all the liquid ingredients to the mixing bowl. Now you can add the eggs.
After all ingredients are added together, put the bowl on the mixer and place it on speed 2 for roughly 2 minutes. Throughout the 2 minutes, take the rubber scraper to scrape ingredients off the mixer and bottom of the bowl. Set it aside. Next, grab a paper towel and Crisco to grease the bottom of the muffin pans.
After the Crisco is added, add flour. Distribute the flour evenly throughout the pan. After flour is distributed throughout the pan, beat all the excess flour out. Now you can add the batter to the muffin pan until it is 3/4 full. Add water to any empty tins so the muffins can cook evenly. Place the muffin pans on the bottom rack and stagger them. Set the timer for 27 minutes.
Next, we will prepare the glaze for the top of the muffins. Mix all ingredients into one mixing bowl and stir thoroughly. Place the bowl on top of the stove once mixed to keep warm. Once the timer goes off, grab a toothpick to stick into the muffins to see if they are done. If raw batter is on the toothpick, it is not ready. Place back in the oven for a time according to the batter on the toothpick. When they are finished, there will be no batter on the toothpick and they are done. Then place them on the cooling racks.
Grab the spatula to loosen the sides of the muffin and place the muffin on foil. Then add all the glaze to the muffins while the muffins are still warm. The muffins are now ready to serve. Now you can finish cleaning all the dirty dishes.